I'm not gonna get out of this pool
Yes, you
for my
are.
entire life.
Really? I think you have to sometime.
I'm gonna eat right here on this pool. I'm gonna sleep on this pool. And I'm not gonna go back to Illinois on this pool.
Our plant-based bond.
Good, happy Friday evening to you. How's everybody, you guys? I just have not been vlogging because I have been busy with my mama. Mom has been needing help around the house and taking her places and just doing stuff with her, spending time with her, spending time with the family. But we have had a very enjoyable vacation. It's Friday, we're leaving on Tuesday, so we still have a few days. So yesterday I took my mom out and my sister was home and she made boiled peanuts. She boiled some peanuts. Have you ever had boiled peanuts? I have never had them, and I'm gonna tell you, I love them. I can eat them like they're going out of style. And I wish I was there to really document it. But maybe I'll put some links to how my sister found out how to make them on YouTube. I'm gonna put some links in the description below. And what else happened? Oh, something very scary happened. But, well, it was kind of scary, but it wasn't scary because I know that the Lord is in control and that He protects us. But I didn't even think to pull out the camera and to document or to show you guys what happened. We were out with my mom yesterday and I was taking her home on this country road. That's the only way to her house. And then it started pouring down rain, just instantly, buckets of rain. And within a matter of minutes, we were stuck, and that has never happened to me before. There was water rushing over the road so high, so fast that we couldn't go past it. And then I tried to turn around to go back, and there was so much water on the road just a little bit, maybe about a mile back, that I couldn't get off. I could not get off the road. And there were other people too that were stuck in the same situation. So we ended up parked just in the road waiting for it to clear. And finally the little ones had to go to the restroom. So there was a elementary school that we could pull into. So I went there and went to the back and we found a shed and they went back there and did their business. And finally when we drove back around, the road was clear. So thankfully, I'm so thankful to the Lord that He protected us because it really could have gotten ugly. I thought you had to say something.
I forget.
Do you want to say hi?
Mommy, do I get those from there or get in my PJs?
Oh, well, go grab those, and then you go in the house, and you're gonna get ready for that. Okay, go grab your clothes. Yep. So that was crazy. I really wish I would have taken some pictures and did some video because it was just amazing, and even more amazing and wonderful it is that God protects us and that we didn't have any issues with getting out of that mess. It was so high today. Hey, hold on a second. It was so high today that I looked under the van, and there's some grass stuck under the van from the way the water was rushing past us.
Please jump.
Nope.
What? Can I?
No. So I've got Caroline in the bathtub and she's finishing things up. I'm gonna hang her wet swim clothes out here. I'm telling you, these guys, I am so shocked. These girls, the guy already knows how to swim. These girls have picked it up so well. We don't have a lot of opportunity to swim, but since we've been here, they have learned so much. And now Caroline, Olivia, and Katherine are swimming to the bottom of the deepest part of the pool to pick up the toys, the pool toys, at the bottom of the pool. I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. They're getting so big. Good, happy Sabbath afternoon to you. How's everybody? We are in the mountains, my favorite place ever. I love the mountains. Well, you know what? I like the ocean too. So maybe it's kind of equal with the ocean, but still I love to be here in the mountains. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Good.
Look at this little garden here, you guys. This is we're on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and we're at this little place where they have a homestead, like a home where people lived, like, you know, way back in the pioneering days. often like to try to imagine what life would have been like back in those days, the simple life. I know it was hard work, but I don't know. There's just part of me that would have liked to have experienced that. Hi, Jade.
Hi.
This is our friend Jade. She's with us today, enjoying this beautiful scenery, mountains. Olivia, did I ever tell you how much I love the mountains?
There's a door in the back.
Look at this beautiful herb garden, Nick.
It's so beautiful.
You're not feeling it? This is so pretty. So Micah and Catherine are making slime.
Our slime experts are slime terrible people. Would you like to see our first contestant?
Yes, look at that, blue.
Yes.
Good, happy Monday morning to ya.
Good morning, everybody. We are swimming bright and early on this Monday morning, September the 3rd. And today is a special day.
Birthday day.
Olivia, what's today?
My birthday.
Yay, we're swimming all day, you guys. Swimming all day.
Like this.
Go. Happy birthday, girl. Oh, I'm gonna jump on in just a minute. I'm gonna jump in just a minute. It's cold. Is it cold?
No.
See, Jay's honest.
It's not cold at all. No, you gotta go too.
Oh, I am.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Here, you want to come to the bottom and get some toys? Do you want to swim to the bottom and get some toys? All right, come on.
That was impressive, bro. You're having a lot of them. Go back in. I got these, buddy.
So swimming's over, and we are at you know where. Where are we? Oh, sure, talking about it. Where are we? Do you know it, Xander? Nick,
I'll
tell
tell
us
them.
where we are.
We're at Baja Bean,
No, we're not. Where are we, Nick?
Whole Foods.
Whole Foods. Whole Foods, you guys. So yes, there is a Whole Foods in Charlottesville. Little Xander's with us today. He's eating with us. This is the birthday girl. Beating her face. Smile, birthday girl. I mean, don't smile. Anyways, we're having a vegan pizza with pineapple on it, and it's just about gone. Sorry, guys. And some fruit, some guacamole, and vegan cupcakes. Look at that. Look at that rainbow, and the sun is shining so bright. I can't believe it. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, well, you just look at it. We've got a lot of people in this water on our last day here. My niece Alicia and her boys, Micah and Miles, are down there. Can you hear me even? There's Olivia, Caroline, Nick. Don't push her in, don't push her in. Hi, Pookie.
Hi, Pookie.
The pool's not really.
Good, happy Tuesday morning to you. We're still at Aunt Tammy's. How's everybody? We were gonna leave this morning, and these kids, they just don't want to go. They just don't want to go. Say hi to Xander. Xander, say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Hi. Xander's our little buddy. He's staying here at Aunt Tammy's for a while. So anyway, we are gonna be off and running, but the kids wanted one last swim in the pool together, and we're visiting with Aunt Tammy and Xander a little bit. And then we're off back home to Illinois, you guys.